Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a Sabudana mixed fruit dessert. Soft sago pearl with creamy custard and fresh fruits. A refreshing and healthy dessert perfect for summer. Let's start the recipe. Boil some water. Add half cup soaked and washed sago. Sabudana is widely used in dessert and fasting recipes. Cook until the pearls become transparent. Now add 2 cups milk and mix well. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup milk with 1 tablespoon custard powder. Add this mixture to the milk and sago. Custards give a rich and creamy texture. Stir continuously to avoid sticking. Cook while stirring until it becomes thick and creamy. Now remove from heat and let it cool completely. Now add chopped fruits, 2 tablespoon apple, 2 tablespoon black grapes, 2 tablespoon green grapes, 2 tablespoon strawberry, 2 tablespoon pomegranate. Mix gently. Fruit desserts are perfect for summer cooling. Milk adds calcium and protein. Keep in the fridge for chilling. Homemade desserts are fresh and hygienic. Serve cold. Colorful fruits make the dish visually attractive. Sabudana provides quick energy. Fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Your refreshing Sabudana fruit dessert is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy every spoon. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.